The president of the Indian Overseas Congress and a key advisor of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, Sam Pitroda, has stirred a hornet's nest. Speaking of India and Indians, he said those from the east look like Chinese, from the south look like Africans, from the west look like Arabs, and those in the north look like the English. And the Congress is now in the eye of a storm over this absolutely bizarre comment. The BJP has called it racist. The Bharatiya Janata Party has come out all guns blazing, with the Prime Minister leading the charge. Prime Minister Narendra Modi said he's extremely angry at these divisive comments of Congress party leaders, which the BJP insists is merely echoing. Sam Pitroda and other such leaders are echoing Rahul Gandhi's thoughts. The Congress has desperately tried to distance itself from these comments. We bring you more in this report.
Congress's self-goal-in-chief striking again with the disgusting racist rant at Indians. Rahul Gandhi's advisor, Sam Pitroda, causing massive red faces in Congress with the bizarre remark dividing Indians on skin color, saying dark-skinned South Indians look like Africans while North Indians look like white, adding that people from East look like Chinese, even claiming that people in West India look like Arabs, reinforcing the worst imaginable racist stereotypes, ironically while trying to send an inclusive message.
We are a shining example of democracy in the world. We have survived 70 years, 75 years in a very happy environment where people could live together, leaving aside few fights here and there. We could hold country together as diverse as India, where people on East look like Chinese, people on West look like Arab, people on North look like, maybe white, and people in South look like Africa. Doesn't matter.
Pitroda's racist words sparked an immediate controversy, with an angry Prime Minister Narendra Modi tearing into Rahul Gandhi, asking him how dare Congress divide Indians on skin tone.
ये शहजादे, मैं बहुत गुस्से में हूं आज दोस्तों. मुझे कोई गाली दे, मुझे गुस्सा नहीं आता है. मैं सहन कर लेता हूं, लेकिन आज शहजादे के फिलोसोफर ने इतनी बड़ी गाली दी है जिसने में गुस्सा भर दिया है. शहजादे, आपको जवाब देना पड़ेगा. चमड़ी के रंग के आधार पर मेरे देशवासियों का अपमान मेरा देश सहन नहीं करेगा.
BJP targeted Rahul Gandhi and Congress, accusing them of pushing a divisive narrative and pitting one Indian against another.
इससे बड़ा जातिवादी बयान क्या हो सकता है? कितना बांटोगे जाति के नाम पे, क्षेत्र के नाम पे देश को?
सैम पेट्रोडा राहुल गांधी के गुरु हैं. ये भारत का अपमान है. अगर ऐसी बातें वो की है तो राहुल गांधी को, सोनिया गांधी को देश से माफी मांगना चाहिए.
A red-faced Congress tried damage control by distancing itself from Pitroda's deeply racist words, but refused to condemn or axe him from the party.
प्रधानमंत्री जो फुल टॉस पे खेलते हैं ना, तो इन्हीं फिजूल की बातों पे फुल टॉस खेलते हैं. मैं उनको चैलेंज करती हूँ, आप फुल टॉस खेलिए रोजगार पे, फुल टॉस खेलिए महंगाई पे, फुल टॉस खेलिए महिलाओं पे जो अत्याचार हो रहा है और जो अत्याचार कर रहे हैं उनको बचा रहे हैं, उस पे खेलिए.
भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस इन उपमाओं से अपने आप को पूर्ण रूप से अलग करती है और इसका खंडन करती है.
The opposition too went into defensive mode.
सैम पिट्रोडा अमेरिका में बैठकर क्या बयानबाजी दे रहे हैं? ना हमें उससे कोई लेना देना है, ना ये देश का मुद्दा है, और ना ये देश उनकी कही हुई बातों पे किसी तरीके का रिएक्शन देना चाहेगा.
जहां तक सैम पिट्रोडा के बयान का सवाल है, उस तरह के बयान का कहीं दूर दूर तक इंडिया गठबंधन का कोई भी व्यक्ति समर्थन नहीं करता.
Sam Pitroda, also Congress's overseas chief, has a history of putting his foot in mouth during polls, backing inheritance tax, slamming Ram Mandir and calling middle class selfish.
Let me tell you, in America, there is an inheritance tax. So if, let's say, one has $100 million worth of wealth, and when he dies, he can only transfer probably 45% to his children. 55% is grabbed by government. Now that's an interesting law.
Will Sam Pitroda's words once again hurt Congress? Bureau Report, India Today.